Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I wanted to show you something really fun. This is a Merry Grinchmss chocolate advent calendar. It's got 24 milk chocolates and it's just a ton of fun. This is suitable for vegetarians and anybody who has a nut allergy. But I purchased this little advent calendar for £1 and I wanted to open it with you guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat all of the chocolate, but we'll give it a go. Guys, I'm just going to get this out of the packaging and then we'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. Guys, I can already feel that some of these have moved around. So if there's not any in those, we'll just pick them up at the end. But hopefully this video won't take too long. I think the longest thing in this video is probably me trying to find the doors. But I found number 1, so we'll pop it open. And you know, oh, it does on the back. So it says at the back, I'm here for the presents. And we have the Grinch. I'm just going to pull these doors off as we go along. We're going to hit up number 2 as soon as I find it. Tell me guys, do you like advent calendars? I love a good advent calendar. I found it very hard this year to get advent calendars. I don't know why, but definitely found it hard. Here's door number 2. I like how easy these come off. Let's pop him out. We have another. I hope these aren't all the same. And if they are, we'll just fly through them. There's the little girl in the background. Number 3 is right here. Oh, we don't. We get different ones, which is good. Let's pop you out. I think this is Santa's face. This is a cute one. I really like that. And we have the Grinch. Let's go to door 4. I always love an advent calendar that goes that little extra mile. I totally understand that this is a £1 advent calendar. And if they don't, they don't. But I love when they go a little bit more and they put little pictures at the back. So this is a little, I think it's a puppy with antlers, which is cute. I'll take the whole back in out and show you guys at the very end. Can't even remember where we were. Number 4, number 5, over here. Yeah, so I really struggled to get good advent calendars this year that aren't super expensive. Okay, guys, this one fell out. We will find that somewhere. It's the Grinch. Another Grinch, and we have the Grinch with his Santa hat on. Let's go and find number 5. Number 5, number 5. So number 5 is hard to find. You guys have probably already got number 5. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3. We're on number 6. That's why I couldn't find number 5. Number 6 is right up here at the top. Let's pop it open. And some of this chocolate has flaked off. You can see here. But I think we have another Grinch. Not too much thought put into this one. And I don't know if you guys can see, but this is again the dog with the antlers. We're going to go to number 7. I can hear this rattling inside. And number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we're definitely looking for number 7, which is right over here. I didn't ever really, when I was young, get these chocolate advent calendars, but I really, really like them. And the chocolate is really good. We have another Grinch. We're looking for number 8. That chocolate is actually really delicious. Again, flaking pieces of chocolate. Maybe they're additional. We again have the Grinch. And again, the Grinch. Are we looking for number 9? Chocolate is really good. It's super creamy. Number 9. Ooh, number 9 is a little different. I like that. Oh, that's so cute. And we have a Christmas tree that I am going to eat because the chocolate is so good. We're looking for number 10, number 10, number 10. Oh, over here. Here we go. I'm here for the presents. And the Grinch got nothing. Huh. That's kind of ironic. And a little funny. Let's go to 11. Ooh. This one is the same as the one that we had. It was supposed to be over here, but it's missing. It's a present. Can you see? Super. I was going to eat that, but I'm still eating the last one. And this one says, resting Grinch face. That's funny. Very funny. Number 12, right up here at the top. Oh, I think we have another Santa. We do. Santa popped right out, and it says at the top, it's easy being green. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll pop it to the side. Let's go ahead and hit up number 13. I'm again eating my way through this chocolate. Number 13, right here by his the Grinch's eyebrow. Open up, open up, open up. We have another present, I believe. And we have a little wreath. I'm trying to think. We're going to 14. Where is number 14? Right down here at the bottom. Handy for me. We have another Grinch, and it says, Merry Grinchmss. We're going to go 15. 15. Oh, slipped out, but we caught it. And it is the Grinch. And we have the little family right up here. Number 16. Over here. Again, we have the Grinch, which I'm going to eat. And we have the little girl with a pretty bow in her hair. 17 is right up here. Another Christmas tree. I love the little Christmas trees. They're so adorable. I love the little presents. They're so adorable. And I love... where is he hiding? Got him. The Santas. They're so cute. Oh, we have this little picture right here. We're going to go to 18, which is here. Oh, the Grinch. We have the Grinch. We're going to go to 19, which is right up in this corner, right up here. It says Merry Whatever. And it is Merry Whatever, because we got nothing. It's definitely in this box somewhere. We're going to open 20. We got a present. I love these little presents. They're a little bit thicker than the others, so that's good. It says again, resting Grinch face. We're going to go 21, which is right here and super handy for me. We have another little Grinch face. This is the resting Grinch face if you want to copy it. Oh, it says I'm on the naughty and nice list. Where else do we have to go? What was that? I can't remember. Let's see what we've got left. Okay, we have 22, 23, and 24. 22 has nothing. It has this little wreath, but the chocolate, I believe, is down here because I can feel it. We have a Grinch. We have, what is this one? We have a Santa, cutesy, cutesy Santa. And I believe there's actually, I'm just going to rip these ones down here. There's two more. We have another Santa face. We have a little present, which I'm going to eat. Oh, we have a sneaky one hiding right over here. We have a Christmas tree. Very nice, very nice. And 23. We have nothing. We had the Christmas tree, which is what I find here. We have the big Grinch face. And for number 24, we have nothing. Nothing for day 24. And it says it was the night before Grinchmss. So guys, let me take this out and I'll show you the whole packaging behind. So guys, this is what the back of the card looks like. Obviously, these are all just printed onto the back of the advent calendar. But I always think it's a little bit fun to open the advent calendar and have just something other than a blank sheet. So really, really enjoyed this advent calendar. I'm still eating the chocolate. It is delicious. And you could use this as a little poster so you can cut it out way better than I did. But I think this is a lot of fun. This was only £1 from Home Bargains. If you like it, go get them. They're completely selling out. Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. You guys are amazing. Amazing, amazing. I can't say enough times amazing. But if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, I would kindly ask that you subscribe, come along and join us. It really does help support my channel. Please smash that like button. It really helps with YouTube's algorithm, and I am also eternally grateful. And if you guys want to be notified of any of my future videos, don't forget about the notification bell. I swear the chocolate is still, I'm still eating the chocolate. Guys, again, thank you so much. I'm going to say take care, be nice to each other, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.